Welcome to the Easy Website Template Walkthrough. I'm not going to take a lot of time on this. You can visit the demo site yourself and click around all you want, but I did want to show you the navigation and let you see some of the features. As you see, we're on the home page. As you look across the top, there are four main parts inside of your header. Of course, you have your logo, your navigation or your menu, and then your primary call to action button. Then in the upper right hand corner, we have the translation app. If you want, you can click the toggle down, change it to Spanish, and immediately all of the text will change over to Spanish. But let me go back to English, and we'll continue to go through the page. Of course, you have your hero section here, another primary call to action button, and then a button to go to your free ebook and feed into your lead generation funnel. Then we have your tagline, some benefits, USP, a PAS framework here, which basically is Problem Agitate Solution. It's a copywriting framework that has been proven to help convert for years. We have your mission statement, a little bit of information that will take you to your about page. Of course, your blog posts, your services section, which could be services and or products. Then we'll come down, you have your FAQ section, testimonials, so you can put in your testimonials here, your reviews rather. Click on our reviews and it will go straight to the reviews page. This is the how it works section. This is step one. You have them do a thing, which is your primary call to action. So step one would be sign up for an estimate. Step two is we do the estimate, we agree on it, let's do the work. Step three is you enjoy whatever we did for you. Primary call to action, expectations section, the lead generation section for you to give away a free ebook, your core values, a letter from you to your customers, your vision statement, and then your footer. And then of course we can come up top and go to about. And now I'm going to start to kind of speed this up because you can come through and click from here, but you see main header is going to be the same. Have a little bit of information on here, your vision statement, why to hire us, your core values, another testimonial, a little bit of information about why you look at your business and your community as family, and then your USP, back to your footer. Same thing with the services. Everything is preset and the content gets written with the ChatGPT prompts that are written for you. Of course, FAQ has some basic information and then more FAQs down here. Reviews. Of course, you can go to your primary call to action, and this is basically, for those people who have the request an estimate, request a custom quote, things to that nature. That's what this page is for. I do not have the contact anywhere up at the top because you want them to come through the call to action more than anything, and that is also the reason why there is no social media inside of the header. You want to keep everything at the top of the website focused on moving them forward into becoming a customer or client. Of course, you got more information down here. And of course, you can look at the bottom and see we do have a contact page. So if you want to click the contact page, it's very basic contact form. Have a nice background image in there that you can put. Be good to go. You can come down and see the events. So we'll click on events and you see, of course, I don't have any listed in this template, but this is where the event calendar would be. You can come down and see free ebook. You have everything here for you to pitch your ebook. This is all the stuff we'll customize in the training as we move forward and build out the Easy Website Template. And of course, once you fill out the information, it will do the checkout process, move you over to a download page and a thank you page where you can do a bigger upsell and deliver the ebook and a bunch of other stuff. We'll back out of that. Click on newsletter, and of course this is just basic sign up for people to sign up for your email list. Of course, we have the privacy policy. You can't have a website without an official XML sitemap for SEO, and there's a lot more in the back end between the digital business cards and everything else. Of course, you can click right into the guide and take a look at everything there. Thank you for hanging in there these few minutes. Can't wait to see you inside as we build your website.